Hey guys, so today is a special video for you because it is the end of our 6 months here at Berkeley. I've been able to do an exchange at UC Berkeley Haas School of Business since January, and unfortunately tomorrow is the last day here at the campus. So to finish it off, we thought we'll give you a quick tour of the campus and show you the best bits that I've enjoyed for the last half a year. Alright, we're gonna start at UC campus store here at Oxford Street. So this is where you usually enter UC Berkeley if you're coming from the downtown bar. And the first thing you'll see is a round spherical structure that was put in here by Arnold Pomodoro, a famous sculpture artist that did a lot of things for the university. So we're going to look at that in a second, but just behind me you see a famous strawberry creek that basically crosses across the whole campus from west to east, and it's so beautiful, and you've got redwoods and ponderosa pines all around it, so it's a really beautiful start to the UC Berkeley campus. Okay, so this is the revolving from the central forum structure. That was the long name of it. And if you keep walking straight, you'll get into the main part of the campus now. One of the beauties about being at UC Berkeley is that you always see some fascinating things going around the campus. And one of them is this Kiwi robot. So they have about an inventory of at least 20 or 30 Kiwi robots just walking around the campus, or should I say driving around the campus with food in them, delivering that to whoever ordered it. I never used it, so I don't really know the details, but these guys are always trying to cross the road, and we're trying to make space for them when we walk up to the campus. Just to give you a quick background to UC Berkeley, it was established exactly 150 years ago in 1868, and the name Berkeley comes from a famous philosopher from Ireland, Bishop George Berkeley. So for some reason they decided to use his name to name the university, and UC Berkeley is only one of 10 universities that form part of the University of California. And so because it was the first one to be built, instead of calling it University of California, Berkeley is purely known as Cal. And so if you hear Cal, that basically means UC Berkeley. Okay, so this is one of my favorite buildings on campus. It's the Life Sciences building, and it's been constructed in sort of Art Deco style with some Egyptian motifs, what you can see behind me. It's a very beautiful building, and it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, on the campus system. I think it has like 400,000 square feet of space, and you can basically see it from all directions as you walk into university. So if you're around, it actually has 2 museums inside. It's free to the public, so feel free to go in and check those out. During the day, this place is absolutely buzzing with students. They set up their booth and they try and recruit people into the student group associations, and a lot of student election campaigning also happens on this plaza. So it's usually a buzz with activity. Now it's obviously end of May, so the semester is over, so it's a little bit quieter. But come here during spring or autumn and you'll absolutely love it. I'm not sure if you're aware, but Berkeley is really famous for the number of Nobel laureates that they have. And the joke on campus is that the best thing about winning a Nobel Prize is getting your own parking spot. So they have signs like this telling you that if you manage to get a Nobel Prize, you can park your car here, and there's only about 4 spaces. Okay, so one of the most famous structures here at UC Berkeley on the campus is the Sather Tower. It's also called the Campanille. It's one of the tallest structures. I think it's 300 feet, and you can definitely see it from San Francisco. I can always tell where the university is when I'm standing on the piers in San Francisco. And behind me there's another famous building called the South Hall, and it's one of the oldest buildings. It was built in 1873. It's beautiful. It's sort of like French style. Here you go. So these buildings are all part of the Haas Business School, and I'm taking a video from Chow Hall. You can see that today and tomorrow is the graduation and the final ceremony of all the MBA students. Unfortunately, I'm not part of them because I'm just the exchange student. Hey guys, so this is one of the lecture rooms that I spent a lot of time in the last 6 months. It's probably like any other lecture room around the world, any business school that you'll go to have this kind of modern facilities. But there was always something special about Haas, you know, the students, the lecturers, just the overall feel of the university and the character. So I really enjoyed my time here at business school, and I wish I could come back here again. Probably not, but you know, California as a whole is just an amazing place. So if you ever get a chance to come to UC Berkeley as an undergraduate or a graduate student, I absolutely recommend it, not just for the quality and the caliber of students and the professors here, but the campus itself is absolutely gorgeous. Hey guys, so we're going to finish our blog here at the California Memorial Stadium. I hope you like the campus tour. If you got any comments, make sure you put them down below. Also subscribe to the vlog, and I'll see you in the next video.